Hello everyone, I'm Darren Dalanantipan, the esteemed Mandasto Fresher College in Cebu Technological University. This video is for educational purposes. Before let's start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So let's start. Let's go! So hello guys, I will tackle about a Sandogo Festival, where win what workplace celebration of Sandogo Festival. The Sandogo Festival is annual historical celebration that takes place every year in Tagbilaran City on the island of Bohol in the Philippines. Main celebration of Sandogo Festival. The celebration of Sandogo Festival is every July. So the festival is typically includes various events such as street dancing, cultural performance parades, and various activities that showcase the rich history and tradition of Bohol. Tourists also enjoy the grand street dancing and colorful parades where participants don traditional costume and perform lively dance. The festival showcases Bohol-rich culture through exhibit of local handicrafts arts and cuisine. Then the visitors can also explore nearby attractions such as the Chocolate Hills, Tarser Sanctuary, and Panglao Island, making it a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. In 1565, when Miguel Lopez de Legazpi arrived in the Philippines, he sought to establish peaceful relations with the local leaders to ensure the success of his colonization efforts. Legazpi and Dato Sikatuna agreed to a blood compact, which was traditional Filipino ritual meant to symbolize friendship and loyalty. During the ceremony, both leaders made small cuts on their arms, mixed their blood with wine, and exchanged vows of external friendship. This act was meant to forge a strong bond between them and their people. Why the Sandogo Festival advanced Blood Compact? The Blood Compact became a significant historical event as it made one of the early peaceful interactions between the Spaniard and the natives of the Philippines, paving the way for further Spanish exploration, and colonization in the region. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.